Hi boys and girls, for this activity you're going to need a couple of supplies. You're going to need your iPad with the timer set for 15 minutes, a pencil, crayons, and this recording sheet. If you do not have all of those items in front of you right now, pause the video and go and get them. Great, welcome back. Now what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and I want you to write your name up at the top of your paper. Pause the video to do that now. Perfect. Now up here at the top it says, what do the flowers look like now? This is our recording sheet for recording what happened to the carnations that we started an experiment with on Monday. So I want you to leave your iPad and your paper right where it's at. You're going to pause the video in a moment and then go out to where your teacher has the carnations. You're going to observe the carnations for just a little bit and then come back to your spot and I'll tell you what to do next. Pause your video and go and look at the carnations. Welcome back, boys and girls. Now that you've observed the carnations to see what has happened, I want you to draw a picture of what the flowers look like now. So go ahead and use your pencil to draw what the flowers look like now. Yes, you will need your crowns to color in case something has changed and they're not white anymore. Pause the video while you do that. Good job with your drawing. Now this next part says, what did you learn from this experiment? So I want you to think about what you learned about the different plant parts, the stem, the leaves, the roots, and what they need to grow. And what happened with the water and the flower. And I want you to write a sentence about what you learned from this experiment. Remember to start with a capital and end with a period. Do your very best writing. Pause the video while you do that. Good sentences. You learned a lot. Now, boys and girls, the last part of this activity is it says was your prediction correct? So do you remember on Monday when we started this experiment, we all had a prediction of what we thought would happen to the carnation? Was your prediction correct? If it was, I want you to use a yellow crayon to color in the yes. If your prediction was not correct, use that yellow crayon to color in no. Now, if you had a yes or no, does that mean, if you had one or the other, does that mean the experiment was correct or incorrect? No, it just means that what you thought would happen either happened or it didn't happen. So you might have learned a little something different. Okay, make sure you put your paper in your work folder and continue on with your learning.